The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Alright, my people, Dancehall Skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have two videos that I'm going to present to you. And I want you to tell me what I think about these two videos. The first video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female. And in the video, the female made certain sounds that would seem as if she was crying. I cannot confirm if the female really and truly was crying, because sometimes you have persons who will make certain videos and post it on social media for entertainment purposes, you see me? As well as the video can show a female who really and truly was crying. See? In part of the video, the female said that she hungry. Now, viewers and subscribers, if the female really and truly was hungry at the time when the video had been recorded, I think it is rough. More, take a look at this video and tell me if you think this female was really and truly crying, or if you think she was not crying. See me? This video might be sad for some of you, my viewers and subscribers, so some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
I can't take it! Help! Me hungry! Oh God! Andrew! Oh God! No! Wanna rise, me I beg you! 1 week! 1 week!
You saw me, I say, my people, the video had me feeling double emotions. I don't know if I should really feel sad or if I should really and truly laugh or what. I don't know how to feel, because I cannot confirm if the female really and truly was crying. And if the female really and truly was hungry at the time when the video had been recorded, I think it is rough. See? My people, tell me what you think about that video. Tell me if you think the female really and truly was crying, or if she was not crying. And if you listen to the video carefully, you will hear someone making a certain sound in the background of the video that sounds as if the person was laughing. See? So I don't know if you think, yeah, my people. I don't know if you think. Anyways, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a musician who goes by the name of octane. In this video, octane said some things that gave me the understanding that he talked about the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness. He talked about the citizens within the country of Jamaica, and he also talked about some things as well. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen to the things that octane said in this video and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that he said. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Andrew, let me tell you this, Andrew. Let me tell you this. Because people afraid to talk to you. Saying? And let me tell you this. Stop taking people them for fool, Andrew. Saying? Hope you learn the method of politics. You learn the art of politics, like art of war and 48 laws of power. You learn, you're intelligent, you have brain power, you learn that. And you come to the realizations of ghetto people, the poor people, them, the small people, them, where you discriminate. All the time, you discriminate them. But through them too near the forest, them can't see the trees. Because watch ya. Remember, so as I get old when we are growing up, we're frightened of the stars. See? We're frightened of the stars. And you are the first. See? You are the first politician who them turn into a star, like an internet star. When you become an internet star, people see you different. You understand? So, we get the people frightened of the stars, so we're too near the forest, so can't see the trees them and can't see. The back of foolish them what you do. Saying? And you know so you do it. And I like, you don't know so you do it. You're making plans for us. Future plans for us. So when you gone and all these things, and we pass off, our kids them still a struggle. You come and talk about, oh, we build a road. Andrew, we don't own a road. Chinese them own a road. We don't stop pay for that until we're 100. You don't own a road. Tell them say you take the budget and you have to pay for that. You have to pay back all of them loan there. You come and discriminate people, and discriminate the ghetto people. They all them little man we buy the chicken back them and the aisle them and the little man them we buy them Big Jilla aisle and all these things. What you know about Big Jilla aisle, Andrew? Andrew Holness, what you know about Big Jilla aisle? You ever been to Riverton City yet? Tell me, you ever got Riverton City yet? What you consider as as dump, what you consider as rubbish, that is what is dump in Riverton City. And that the kids them are got through and people are got through. Go find them food. Expiry date and product of people are use. Saying? Survival. When you put people in a survival mood and your people do every single thing. You're put into the seat. Don't feel like you're special. You can come out of the seat at any time. All it need is just one extra vote and you come out of the seat there. Saying? Yes. You deal with government badness. A government, alright, watch your style and just stop dealing with the people them. You go on TV and you ridicule ghetto people. Saying? And you're not telling people them say everything when them brain drain. Not only when a man fire a gunshot in a man head and him brain leak out. Saying? When the rich people them people them own the things them, migrate go other country. Majority of this private sector don't live in Jamaica. They don't live in Jamaica. Saying? And no resources, nothing not there. Nothing not there. We used to provide the best sugar cane, the best that, and we start import all of these things. When you go to you make all of them things you pertain to we as big people. We you make future for we. And we not involved. And when the people them start to ask you why you get impulsive. You get impulsive. See? When a man like Foot of them company, the program and them say, oh, Andrew, this and them voice them opinion because them feel a certain way and how you deal with the people them. Instead of you go and adjust the problem, if somebody highlight the problem, you need to find the solution. That's why you're put there. You sell the people them that you're the best thing since sliced bread. And this is what you're gonna do. And this is what. And ghetto people, we, the small people, them where you classify we as, them people, the only thing them are look at, hope. Saying? Hope when people vulnerable, if you're wise enough, you can use them accordingly how you want to use them. Because the people them are look hope, Andrew. And you find out that because you learn the art of politics. And you come and you sell them the speech. See? Because the opposite party, yes, them been have the fool for them fool in the store and them are go on and they get monotonous to the people them. So them are look hope and changes and you come and you do the same thing. You do the same thing. You go and you build up new politics building. So much millions. And vote say, oh, I've built this. So new generation of politicians and all these things have live comfortable and rare. Why you never build a regional hospital with the money? Look how much Caribbean place there. You have Trinidad, you have Barbados, you have St. Lucia, you have Guyana, much majority. Why you never build a regional hospital with that money? Zane, and have some machine we only can find in Jamaica. So everybody in the Caribbean can fly. Come to this hospital here in Jamaica to get any medication where they want because it's a regional. That's the only place you can go find that. Why you never use that? If you do the betterment of the country. No. A them thing I mean I tell you. Zane Andrew, you have almost 4 million people in Jamaica. You only care about 500,000. So the other 3.5 million are going to be collateral damage. Ghetto people don't understand them something. I make them explain. Them will be collateral damage. So you're saving 500,000 people for kill off 3.5 million people. That's what you're doing. See? You talk about lockdown place and COVID and liquor man we got the corner shop. Andrew, you don't know nothing about sufferation. Because for your little, anybody will live in the ghetto, every corner shop have mesh. Corner shop people been a social distance from long time, Andrew Holness. When you go, little mesh there, and you have to talk out there, so. Go at the supermarket them now. Right now, I just have to pass one place. You don't have to have parking spot if you go in a supermarket. Everybody itch up on everybody. Them just hand sanitize them and go in at the place. And then people take off mask, pick and run up and down without mask, bag or something. Line, congested, bag of thing are going down there. And that me I try to tell you. You know much COVID and them something that go pass right there, so. But you don't care about that. See? You don't care about them something there. You lock down the country before election. And open it on election day. The same little corner shop, the same little people them. And them go vote and not the bell. And at them. Why you never do online voting then? Since as you have kids that do online class, why you never do online voting? No, you want kids to take vaccination to go to school. And this can prevent you from the virus. It can't help you. Because once you catch it, you still can't have it although you have it. So why you being vaccinated? I'm not saying you're not supposed to. But why you don't abreast, why you don't enlighten the people them? Make them abreast about what happened. When the people them ask you why, and them go in a rage and them express themselves. Saying, all of a sudden, 5 million police are look for them, 5 million raid. So why you not do the same energy right now? You lock down the country with the budget there for the people them are going to lock down when they have it. Them bills already exceed them income. Want to the day-to-day man them. We just go up on the road and do the day-to-day thing them. Want to them people there. Want people in our fridge. See? We have to just put them thing in one little cooler. And your people still suffer about you, you know. People still have TV and them something about you, you know. You feel like people still suffer about you. Me tell you, say you never go Riverton yet. Me never see you post nothing. Me never see a lobbyist of a crime yet. Andrew Holness, when me telling you these people, because enough of them people don't understand. When you too near the forest and you can't see the trees. Them say 50,000 people catch COVID at Jamaica. Zinc fence, 50,000 people catch COVID at Jamaica. And 47,000 people are recover. Saying 47,000 people recover, you know. Out of, and 4,000, and in between the 4,000, if you make it up to the 50,000, saying, or 48,000 and 50,000, 1,000 RIP to a lot of people will lose people in COVID. 1,000 odd people lose their life. From COVID start almost 2 years, 1,000. Andrew Holness, crime and violence are kill more than 1,000 people a year. Annually. Saying? Annually. That you fi fix. Stop styling people them. Saying? And then when you do this now, where the budget then? When you lock down the people now, light bill gone up, everything gone up. You have to keep the people then dependent. You make the people them a suffer bad man. And they vote. And then them people them loyal to a fault, them go back and vote for you. Uno not fi do it. Make them know say uno have the power. You can't have the people them a sing and a suffer the people them so like you don't care about the people them. Eh? If you lock down the place, remember me not say enough to lock down the place, but if you lock down the place, where you put in place for the people them when have money? A man a plan figure hustle tomorrow and say, alright, me go make the plans for Monday. People make day-to-day plans about your Andrew. People not have budget like you. Seeing? Stop being positive. Think about the people them. People have to take back the power. Stop vote for sugar and salt. I mean literally sugar and salt. You not put in more than one get and one get cheaper than that. Andrew, you know if you find me.
And I really made some strong points, still no viewers and subscribers. He made some strong points. Alright, now, I have an idea. I want you to tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right. Tell me if the idea might work. You see me? But I would like to see a public debate between politicians within the country of Jamaica and citizens within the country of Jamaica who are not politicians. Mostly people who live within places that are considered to be ghetto. Are people who are considered to be poor people then. See? Yeah, I think that a public debate between politicians and people who are considered to be ghetto people or poor people might bring an understanding from both ends and bring some form of respect and mutual agreement. See? I'm gonna like translators to be there at the public debate. I'm gonna like the public debate to be at a place that is big, like the National Stadium, so that thousands of people can attend. And I'm gonna like it for broadcast worldwide too. I'm gonna like this public debate to be a long enough debate where enough people can share them opinions and point of views. You see me, from both ends, from both politicians and the citizens within the country of Jamaica who are not politicians. You see me I say? Right? I'm gonna like translators to be there too, so that if politicians use big words, them can translate it so that who don't understand. And if people who are not politicians use certain slangs that are considered to be street slangs or so forth, then the translator can translate it so that politicians can understand what they are trying to say. You get me I said to you? So me think a public debate like that might bring a better understanding as to what's going on within the country of Jamaica between both parties. You see me? I'm not talk about JLP and PMP. I talk about politicians and citizens within the country of Jamaica who are not politicians. You see me? Tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right, you know. Because I don't think that certain opinions and point of views and concerns from people within the country of Jamaica who are not politicians have really and truly been heard properly are enough where politicians can understand. And I am not sure that politicians' point of views and opinions and concerns when it comes on to the country of Jamaica really and truly have been understood by many citizens within the country of Jamaica who are not politicians. You see, I'm not defend no one. I'm not try to disrespect no one. Yes, I say, I just try to say, if me can come up with an idea that would bring some form of a mutual agreement where everybody within the country of Jamaica, rich and poor, politicians or not, can live as one. See? Yeah, so, you know, I think something like that might work. Tell me what you think, my people. It's just an idea. It's just an idea, right? Me I think about unity. Me don't know if it correct enough. Me just I think. You see me? Tell me what you think. Anyways. Alright, so let me know what I think about the things that Octane said in that video that I just presented to you. You know, tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that he said. And I think he made some strong points. And I think he is somewhat upset about certain things that he understands about what's going on within the country of Jamaica. You see me I say? And that's just my point of view and opinions according to the things that Octane said. Alright? Here, so I'm going to let you big up and respect each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.